Have you ever found yourself with a brilliant manuscript, a story burning within you, and then hit that inevitable wall? How do I get this published? And as you navigate the vast, often confusing world of publishing, you might stumble upon a name like Atticus Publishing. Immediately, a new question arises, one that seems simple on the surface but can actually lead down several intriguing paths. Where exactly is Atticus Publishing located? It's a question that surprisingly doesn't have just one straightforward answer, because the name Atticus in the publishing world refers to a few different entities, each with its own unique location and focus. It's like asking, where is Ford located? You might be thinking of their headquarters in Dearborn, Michigan, but there are manufacturing plants and dealerships all over the globe. The publishing landscape is similarly diverse, especially with the rise of digital tools and globalized services. So let's unpack this. When people ask about Atticus Publishing, they could be referring to a few key players, each with a distinct geographical footprint and purpose within the literary ecosystem. Understanding these distinctions is crucial, whether you're an aspiring author, a curious reader, or just someone interested in the mechanics of the book world. First, and perhaps most commonly, when someone mentions Atticus Publishing, they are likely referring to the company that provides comprehensive self-publishing services. This Atticus Publishing is based in the United States, specifically with a physical address in San Francisco, California. This is the entity that offers a wide range of services to authors looking to self-publish their books in both print and digital formats. They provide assistance with everything from editing and cover design to global distribution and marketing. Their online presence and services mean that while their headquarters are in San Francisco, their reach is truly international. Authors from anywhere in the world can utilize their services, making their physical location somewhat less restrictive than a traditional brick-and-mortar publisher. Think of them as a hub, a central point from which publishing dreams radiate globally through digital channels. Their website explicitly states their San Francisco address and provides contact information, making them easily identifiable. They are a modern publishing solution, embracing the accessibility and global reach that the internet provides. Now, this is where it gets interesting, because there's another significant player that bears the Atticus name, but with a completely different geographical anchor. Atticus Publishing Group. This is a major publishing house, but their corporate office is located in Moscow, Russia. This company is a powerhouse in the Russian publishing market, publishing a wide array of genres, including foreign classics, modern fiction, fantasy, science fiction, cultural studies, art, and comics. Their acquisition of Atticus Publishing in 2008 solidified their position as a major player. So, if you're thinking of a large, established publishing house with a strong presence in Eastern Europe, Atticus is the one you're looking for, and their home is firmly in Moscow. It's a testament to the global nature of publishing that a name can transcend geographical boundaries and be associated with different, albeit related, enterprises. Then, to add another layer of complexity, we have Atticus Review. This is a literary online journal that was founded as an offshoot of an independent press called Atticus Books. Initially born in Madison, New Jersey, Atticus Review has since moved to Philadelphia and Arizona, and has now come to rest in Denver, Colorado. While not a traditional publisher in the sense of taking on manuscripts for publication, Atticus Review is a crucial part of the literary landscape, showcasing new voices and creative works. Its nomadic journey across the U.S. highlights the adaptable and often distributed nature of digital-first literary endeavors. And for authors who are more hands-on, or who prefer a robust tool for formatting and preparing their own books for publication, there's also Atticus, the book writing and formatting software developed by the founder of Kindlepreneur. This software, while not a publishing company in itself, is a vital tool for many self-published authors. As a software product, it doesn't have a singular location in the traditional sense, but rather exists as a digital application that authors can use on their computers, whether Windows, Mac, Linux, or Chromebook. The development and support for this software would likely stem from a team distributed across various locations, reflecting the modern paradigm of software development. So, you see, the question, where is Atticus Publishing located, isn't as simple as it seems. It's a fantastic question, actually, because it opens up a window into the multifaceted world of book publishing. We have Atticus Publishing, San Francisco, California, USA, a self-publishing services company catering to a global audience. As Book Atticus Publishing Group, Moscow, Russia, a major traditional publishing house primarily operating in the Russian market. Atticus Review, Denver, Colorado, USA, a literary online journal. Atticus Software, a book writing and formatting tool, accessible globally. Each Atticus plays a unique role, serving different segments of the author and reader community, and each has its own geographical roots, whether physical or digital. This serves as a great reminder that in the interconnected world of today, a company's name might travel further and mean more than just one specific address. Understanding these distinctions helps clarify the specific services or entities you might be looking for when you encounter the Atticus brand in the publishing sphere. It underscores the evolution of publishing, from purely regional operations to globally accessible services and tools. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.